In this preview, we share only one part conclusion, part 1, and we share in this particular preview Sun's transit effect for the whole month. But part 1 conclusion, part 1 and Sun's transit. Sun's transit effect for the whole month in the preview as well as conclusion part 1 out of 10 parts. The 10 parts are like transit effect of Sun for the whole month, transit effect of Mercury for the whole month, transit effect of Mars for the whole month, transit effect of Venus effect for the whole month. Conclusion part 1, conclusion part 2, 3, task precaution chantings of the premium content which you can buy from the website prakashastrologer.com. But in preview, I will only share Sun's transit effect for the whole month as well as conclusion part 1. The choice, if you need more information, more guidance, and you want to plan your whole month and there's a lot of important things are happening in this coming month, then why don't you take the full, complete premium, the complete in-depth horoscope detail, the forecast for the whole month, and make this particular guidance most useful for your decision-making strategies or choices-making strategies. And because this the horoscope prediction which I prepare for all of you is applied and is applied, it's pure applied astrology. So you can take the benefit out of this. Libra, transit of Sun in 12th house, 17th September till 17th October. This particular period signifies monetary challenges. You would have to take extra care while handling finances through this phase, this particular period of time. If employed, you may find yourself having a bit of a hard time with your employer. Your employer will tend not to appreciate your work, and you may feel a threat of being given less responsibility or less pay or no work at all. Do not get disheartened if your efforts and hard work do not give you the desired result at this time. If you are into trade, you may have to go through a few setbacks. You have to be careful in your dealings. This particular period may also take you through rough weather socially. Avoid arguments with anybody, as living conflict with friends and seniors could not ruled out during this phase of time. You may have to go on long trips which will not bring any desired result. Avoid activities that involve physical risk. Make safety your first priority. Take care of your health, that of your family life during this phase of time. You may develop fever, stomach problems, some discomfort in your eyes. Discontentment during this phase of time may affect your peace of mind and harmony at home. Be careful. Sun transit in 12th house, the other facets. At this time, you have to get in touch with your own subconscious mind. So find out how to direct your life in the way you are not aware of it. Try to see how your action may run counter to your conscious intention. We all broadcast two kinds of signals to the outer world. One kind is that we are trying to do. The other kind, which are unconscious signals, tell people that what we are really trying to do. If these two set of signals do not coincide, it is not because you are not intentionally trying to deceive people, no, but you confuse people, or even worse, cause them to lose faith in what you're trying to do. Please, careful. Particularly deadly are childhood behavior, and sometimes childhood behavior can create a long-term impression. So you have to overcome these kind of behaviors. Libra, month of September 2021, the conclusions. Month of September 2021, the conclusion part 1, Libra. During this phase of time, your confidence will make you almost invisible. Libra, in the month of September, you will also command much regard and respect. An auspicious ceremony in family is likely to take place. It's a very good period for love, romance. You will take the right decision at the right moment of time due to your intelligence, and profit in business trade will be much more. Your social circle will be extended. There's a likelihood of getting involved in religious activities. Your friends and well-wishers will also assist you. Your desire and ambitions will be fulfilled. During this phase of time, you receive great help from your friends and relatives. It's the best time to enter into deals that will work out in your favor. You will get a huge profit from your contracts. The contracts will be offering you unique profits, and agreements will be there for achieving the best. For love and romance, this is a favorable period. A marked rise in your income is indicated. Long distance travel will prove to be very successful and fruitful. During this phase of time, you will be refitted from your message. This particular time, you've got to be very careful with your relationship with your friends and associated. Your long cherished hopes and desire will be materialized. Long distance travel may prove to be very fruitful. A substantial rise in your income is also assured. You're likely to spend on luxuries, lifestyle, materialistic items. The atmosphere in family will be quite happy. Libra, due to Ketu position 2nd house, Rahu position 8th house, Mercury, Venus in 12th house, you must be aware of lack of flow of income, bad debts, lack of communication, lack of clarity, too much confusion, lack of concentration, lack of focus, too many illusions, contentious, restlessness. You must be aware of living conflict and relationship conflict and arguments. Health problem linked with digestive system. Health problem linked with blood or large intestine. Health issue linked with lower abdomen, cheating, deception, fraud. You must be aware of any kind of a relationship issue due to third party influences. Health issues and loss of confidence in the relationship. Illicit affairs. You might need a completed monthly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole month, define your sun's transit effect, how the power with people have a decision-making power will behave with you, and how you're going to react toward them. Will you be able to acquire power in this particular month? Will you be able to acquire any status with power in this particular month? What will be your legal status in this particular month? Mars transit effect. Your courage, your confidence, your aggression, your creativity, your family relationship. Mercury transit effect. Your number game, your profit, your loss. Your flow of money, your flow of communication, your flow of information, your flow of business, career, job. Venus transit effect, your love life, your luxuries, your lifestyle. If you're going for a test, exam, or interview, or presentation, will you be able to succeed? Extensive monthly horoscope report defines you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need. What precautions you must implement in your discipline, may I say that, to save your skin. What sacred chanting you must exercise in the whole month to achieve a spiritual blessing, and for that you can fulfill your desire and achieve your ultimate goal. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the monthly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best.